Good evening, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Take care of your health and enjoy your holidays. So you all are promoted to 7th standard. Online classes have been started for you. So pay the first term fees and get the book soon. So this is your 7th standard science book. And in this you are going to see the first lesson. First we will see a little introduction about our lesson measurement. So measurement is a part of everyday life. We measure the amount of rice that needs to be cooked, distance traveled, time required to finish reading one chapter of a book, etc. We use certain instruments to measure the required quantity and our knowledge of units of measurement to express the result. So from this what you have understood? So to measure the amount of a rice or otherwise for a distance travel, all this requires some amount of measurements. So physics is a branch of science where experiments play a very important role. To prove theories, we rely on data from experiments. So what is meant by physics? It is also a branch of science. And what are all the things you are going to study in the physics? That is theories and experiments. Relating that, you will study that one. This data includes measured physical quantities. So what is meant by physical quantity? What is meant by physical quantity? So that can be measured by a fundamental quantity. So a physical quantity is expressed as the magnitude followed by the unit of measurement. So for example is given here for you. That is the length of a rod is 20 centimeters. So which one is the magnitude and which one is the unit here? So 20 is the magnitude. That means it represents the value of that rod. And a centimeter is the unit of measurement. So we can express it using the symbol for centimeter, which is a centimeter. For meter what we will use? M. For centimeter, cm we will use. So which one is the magnitude here? 20. 20 is that is the value of the rod, gives the magnitude. And the unit is, it is nothing but centimeter. So 20 centimeter. So a physical quantity is what? It is expressed as the magnitude followed by the unit of measurement. Simple measurement mistakes can be very expensive. So for that, no more boxes given here, no? So the Mars Climate Orbiter, built at the cost of $125 million, was a 338 kilogram robotic space probe launched on December 11, 1998. So for what purpose it is launched? To study the Martian climate, Martian atmosphere. So to study about that is Martian climate means about the planet Mars. To study about the climate prevailing there, that is existing there. Prevailing means existing. Okay, and then study about the Martian atmosphere. So what they have did now, the navigation team at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, in short it is JPL, used the metric system of millimeters and meters in its calculation. So these scientists what they have did now, they use the millimeters and meter in its calculation. But at the same time, what the person at the Denver, that is Lockheed Martin Astronautics in Denver, Colorado, which designed and built the spacecraft, provided crucial acceleration data in the English system of inches, feet and pounds to calculate the trajectory of the spacecraft. So these persons, they have used the measurement inches, feet and pounds to calculate the spacecraft. So but these engineers, that is the JPL engineers, they did not consider this unit conversions. So because of this what happened? So the space probe, instead of entering into the Martian atmosphere, it launched at the wrong angle and it completely disintegrates. What is meant by disintegrate? That is, it is broken into small pieces. So that is what it is given here. Simple measurement mistakes. So because of the small mistake they have done, the entire spacecraft, which the cost of the spacecraft is $125 million. So because of the small mistake made by them, it completely disintegrates. And next you are going to see is fundamental quantities. So what is the definition given for here? Physical quantities that cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are called fundamental quantities. So say for example length, mass and time. So these are considered to be the fundamental quantities. And next thing is the units used to express fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. So the two things we have learned, one is fundamental quantities and another one is fundamental units. Fundamental quantities, what examples I have given for you? Length, mass and time. And the next one relating to that, fundamental units are given. Length means what is the unit for it? Meter, we can say meter. Mass means kilogram. And next, time is second. It is represented by the symbol S. Likewise, a length meter I have said no. For that, how it is represented using the symbol? That is M, small m. Likewise, for mass I have said kilogram, and that the symbol for that one is kg. So students, we will finish up our lesson, and today homework for you is how a physical quantity is expressed. How a physical quantity is expressed, question number 1. And question number 2 is what is mean by fundamental quantity, or otherwise what are called fundamental quantities. Third question is what are called fundamental units. So take down these 3 questions, and this one is the today's homework for you. Complete the answer for this and send it in HIFI app. Thank you all.